Hello and welcome to Code with John. Today we are going to look at a relatively new programming language called Julia. So what is Julia? Julia is a programming language designed from its foundations to be the ideal language for scientific computing, machine learning, and data mining. You can download Julia from julialang.org. On their webpage, you can see the information about Julia Lang. You can go through it by yourself. Click on the download button. Now the current stable release is version 1.82. Click on your version of operating system. I had downloaded Julia earlier, so I'll go to my downloads folder. There it is. Double click on the installer package. On the pop-up window, choose the installation directory. I chose default and click on next. You can add the path, Julia path. Click on next and wait for Julia installations to finish. Click on finish. You can access Julia via its console program, and from there you can type in your first program that prints an output on the screen. Now print, this is how you print on the screen. Hello world. Now you can access Julia via Jupyter notebooks. This is for data scientists and data analysts. It's easier for them. To open Jupyter notebook with Julia kernel, use the following configuration. This will install the IJulia package. Wait for the installations to finish. Now, IJulia is a Julia language backend combined with the Jupyter interactive environment. Now, Jupyter Notebook is enabled on IJulia. Open Jupyter Notebook. You can create a folder for your Julia files or Julia scripts. You can create a new notebook with Julia kernel. Give your notebook a name. You do it there. A notebook file has been created called Julia intro. Write your first code that prints on the screen. Hello world. Now let's talk about Julia comments. They start with an hash. You can have Julia multi-line comments that start with a hash and equal sign and ends with a hash, an equal sign and a hash. Now let's talk about Julia variables. Julia variables are assigned with an equal sign. A variable is a container for storing data value. You can check variable data type by using type of function. You can check the type of your variable using the type of function. As you can see, it's a string. We can have my variable, my height. Equals to 5.9. Now let's see what this data type is. It's a float. Float are represented by decimal points. Now let's do some basic maths. Let's first deal with sum. The difference operator. And this is how you do the product. Now the quotient, this number divided by another number. And now this is how you do the Julia power operator. Now let's check the Julia modulus operator. That's it for today. Thank you. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Till next time, bye-bye.